We're sitting at the Barcelona Lounge, which is on basically the entire lower level of the Gran Destino Tower. And the bar is basically right there, and it spans the entire length from one wall to the other of this downstairs area. We want to try the Cafe Bombon espresso sweetened condensed milk. So we're going to be trying this right here. There's a menu, a digital menu on the wall right here, and the prices are not consistent with the price that are in the menu. In the menu, what we're getting, the Cafe Bombon, is $4.99. On the wall, it's $3.49. So we'll find out when we get to the counter. Tell them about the prices.
So the price was different from the hard paper menu and the digital menu on the wall. There's also a paper menu by the register, and the cast member said it's different because breakfast prices before 11 are a little slightly cheaper, and once you hit 11 o'clock then you get the bar prices.
We have the Cafe Bombon. The way they made it was they took the glass, just squeezed the condensed milk in the bottom, and then he pours. He said the Disney standard is 2 ounces of espresso. You're not getting 1 ounce, you're getting 2 ounces. So this is 2 straight ounces of espresso on top of here. And we know it's Disney. In this resort, they're going to use real espresso, not coffee that they say is espresso. Now this is a very small glass of coffee, but it's also espresso, and espressos are in their nature very small. You're literally taking a shot. Most espresso cups are about this big. So this is not meant to be drank over an hour. It's meant to be shot, go.
You're walking around like this.
Yeah, you're like Beavis. Okay, so you have to stir it, otherwise that last drink you're gonna get is gonna be all condensed milk. Stir it up.
Oh, that's thick.
Ooh, yikes. We gotta get it all mixed up.
All that condensed milk stuck to the glass.
Oh, it's turning white.
Now this is the color I like my coffee.
Me too.
Super blonde.
But see, I'm not really a sweet coffee guy, but I do like specialty coffees that are meant to be sweet.
And this is supposed to be sweet.
Okay, you take the first sip. It smells strong, like espresso. If I'm gonna put sugar in my coffee, that's about as sweet as I like it. Now the coffee flavor is strong.
Yeah.
That's definitely espresso. That's not coffee.
It's not overly sweet though.
Ooh, it's very powerful. No, it is not overly sweet. I was expecting with all that condensed milk down there to be just this sugar bomb. It's about the level of sweetness that she makes her coffee. I was talking to the guy that was making this. I asked him, has this been, a popular item on your menu? And he said, yes, and it's only gotten better because they actually have a new espresso machine that they can dial it in. Basically before, there was a machine that would do everything. So they literally just put the cup under the thing and went, boop. And then they pulled it out and said, here you go.
So it was already mixed?
Yes.
That's
it's basically just heating it up. But now it is this is an espresso machine that you see in fancy coffee shops. It's not like a Keurig, which he said basically is what it was before.
Well, it's more fun when you get to stir it yourself and when you can see the layers in it.
All right, what are your thoughts on this?
I like it. I think it's just the right size.
For espresso, yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna be jumping around after this. It's a fun little experience. Come over here and try it out. You can say you have tried the Cafe Bombon. I like it. It's a fun little destinational item. I'm giving this 2 thumbs up. Nice little treat to try while you're here. Something that they don't have anywhere else that I've ever even heard of. Come check this out. And he said, well, it's only gotten more better. More better, betterer.
Better. It's only gotten better.
It's only gotten better. Thank you. That blooper reel.
No kicks!